MacBook Pro A1466 motherboard. This motherboard is not power on problem. We open the motherboard. See, we now checking the impedance, coil impedance with the help of ground. See all impedance. This is a PP bus 140 is okay. This is a 3 volt line, 430 okay. This is also 5 volt line, this also need 430, but this line is 50 only. This is an issue, but this is our memory coil. Memory coil need 150 and above. 187 is okay. This is a PCH coil 1.05. See, PCH coil is totally 000 shorted to the ground. This is indicate that PCH is short. This is a CPU coil. CPU coil 70 nearby 70 is okay, but PCH coil is totally shorted to the ground. See, this is indicate that PCH short. See, PCH is damaged. See, in our PCH is totally cracked, and this is indicate that CPU short. And now we have to replace the CPU. If we are replacing the CPU, replace the CPU. Otherwise, we have to replace the motherboard. This motherboard is not repairable. See, PCH is shorted to the ground and PCH also cracked. Thank you.